In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sort data in Excel as date wise. So firstly, right click on date column, then click on format cells. In this list, select date, then click on OK. Now select this date column. Now click on data, then in here click on sort. Select this first option and sort. Sort by click date. Select here date, then OK. You can select oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Like this. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to sort data in Excel.